Hey guys, welcome back to Fims Presents RC on YouTube, and you'll notice in front of us we have a Thunder Tiger Mirage Pro. Now this is a 1/8 scale buggy in desperate need of restoration, and over the next series of videos based around this model I will show you how to fully restore your old vintage nitro, your barn finds and your attic finds, your shed finds even. I think this has been stored in a shed for quite some years now. Now if you know me from MSUK forum or Fims Presents RC on YouTube, you may know that I've been in the hobby for about 15 years now, and for about 10 of those years I have traded RC, thousands of models maybe over the years. I'm not really so sure. Basically, I'm going to show you over the next 5 or 6 videos how to restore your vintage nitro from start to finish, and I'll give you some of the tips and tricks that I've picked up along the way from doing so many models. I used to turn these around in a single day, so they'll come in the morning, up to 3 or 4 models a day, full strip, full service, full test, and then back out the other side, sold on eBay. Not quite that intense these days, maybe do 1 a week, maybe 2 a week, if that, but it's just something to keep me interested, and obviously I can now show you guys some of the things that I've picked up along the way. So an off the bat approach, now come to it, and this glow, the pull start is stuck because the piston is stuck inside the sleeve, inside the lower crankcase here. If I just have a look, you'll notice sometimes when you come to your old RC, or you come to an RC that you maybe bought off someone second hand, used, there'll be a stuck jammed pull start here. Now, so first part of the video, what I'm going to do now is just pop the phone down and I'll show you how to unstick your piston from your sleeve inside your lower crankcase. So if you come to it and this won't move, don't pull on it, don't rive on that. If it's stuck, it's stuck. And the first method of attack for these is the easiest. As always, easiest route first. So it'll be heat applied on this crankcase here, first of all with a hairdryer to generally heat the area, and then you want to apply some acute heat, which is very localized heat in this section here, all the way around, not underneath, not just on this one side. You don't want one side uneven heating, you want it all the way around, including just above the manifold there, and just apply that heat all the way around. And now sometimes if they are wedged in there due to pinch, which is the gap at the top of your piston sleeve, if that, say for instance your engine's not been running fully when you put the model away and the piston is stuck at top dead center, that can be because obviously when the engine heats up it expands, and then the piston goes up and you leave it at top dead center, and when the engine cools down it contracts back around that piston top, and obviously the piston is then stuck in the sleeve. Obviously the remedy for this is heat. Okay dudes, as you saw from the first introduction video, the pull start is seized because the piston, I'm assuming, is seized inside the casing, the top of the casing here, stuck in the sleeve. So it's happened quite a few times. Now my method is, whether you can see down there, it's going to be quite difficult for you. But I've took the old spark plug out, which was fun in itself because the old pot metal brace that came with it just completely disintegrated, which very unhelpfully left a lot of pieces that were jammed around the glow plug itself. So just had a couple of minutes of fun to get that out, but it did come with a newer version of a Thunder Tiger glow plug brace wrench, so that was easy. Right, so basically get your glow plug out, and once your glow plug is out, you'll want to Right, if you look down there now, you'll see that I've actually filled until the liquid is at the top of the glow plug hole, the threaded hole. So if you leave that there now, let it sit for, I don't know, anything up to half a day really. We always start with the easiest, so start with that, and then before you yank on it, it'll be heat applied around the casing, first of all with a hairdryer and then with a portable butane blowtorch after that. So I'll show you that in a minute. I'll come back after this is sat for a few hours and we'll pick it up from there and see if we can get this freed off.